Hey everyone, and welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, my name is Phoebe and I'm all about helping you use AI to create digital products that bring you money and freedom. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to share the top AI tools you can start using right now. No complicated setup, no tech degree required. Okay, so if you're loving this content, you want to see more, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe. Look, I get it. AI can feel overwhelming, but these tools are designed to make your life easier, faster and also more creative. Whether you want to write ebooks, design graphics, create courses, or even just generate ideas, these 5 tools will actually be your new friends. As from today, I know we have a lot of AI tools that we can speak about the whole day, but I just picked these ones because I love them and also I already experimented and I know that they're gonna be great for all of you. Okay, so without wasting any time, guys, let's jump in. Now, the very first one is Chachi from OpenAI. Chachi, this is a powerful chatbot that can actually help you write anything from blog posts to ebooks, to sell copy and also courses outline, everything. Imagine having a writing or maybe someone who can write for you or maybe can help you in terms of actually the content that you want for 24/7. That sounds absolutely great, right? So how can you use ChatGPT? Just type in what you want. For example, if you are writing a book, or maybe you can use something like write a 500-word introduction for a fitness ebook, and boom, you get a draft ready in seconds. You can then tweak it into make it your own style and also your own voice. Now, a pro tip is actually for you to use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas or even create script for your videos or maybe for your podcast and much more. Okay, have you ever used ChatGPT in your daily life? I would want to hear from you in the comment section. Let's move on to the number 2 tool, which is one of my favorite, which is actually Canva AI features. They have been upgrading Canva for long and I love the new features that are actually popping in. Okay, it is probably already known, or maybe is most of you have known it as a design tool, but did you know that Canva has AI powered features like Magic Write for text generation and also AI image creation? This means you can create stunning ebook covers, social media graphics and printable templates quickly. How can you use this one? It is very simple. Try Magic Write to generate catchy headlines or maybe product description. Then use Canva's drag and drop editor to customize your design and make everything super beautiful. Once you have done with your items or maybe with your project, you can start selling them on your social media or maybe on your marketplaces. Okay, now without wasting any time, let's move on to my tool number 3, which is actually Midjourney AI art generator. Okay, the third one on this list, like I said, it is Midjourney, an AI art generator that creates beautiful, unique images based on your text prompts. This is perfect if you want to customize illustration for your digital products without hiring a designer. How can you use this one? Simply describe what you want, like minimalist nature illustration for ebook cover, and Midjourney will actually create multiple options for you to choose from. Apart from Midjourney, one of my best design or maybe one of my best tool, which could be number 4, is actually Design AI. It is similar in terms of creation or maybe even much better because it has all the styles that or maybe all the other it also features other tools or maybe other AI art generators like Flux, like Chachi and much more in different ways. And you can create. Design AI was formerly known as Stellar AI, and it has been my go-to when I want some beautiful realistic illustration, not only images but also for videos. Okay, now a bonus idea is actually these images can also be used for social media posts, website banners, or even printables. Have you ever used any of these tools that I'm talking about, or I'm talking my own things? I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Now let's move on to number 4 or number 5, which is actually Jasper AI. This is an AI copywriting assistant that you're gonna love. Okay, this one is a writing assistant, but with a focus on marketing content. If you want to create sales pages, maybe something to sell, to talk about email sequence, or maybe something like product description that convert, Jasper can help you write persuasive and professional copy fast. Okay, how can you use it? Input your product details, choose the right tone, and Jasper generates copies. You can actually refine and personalize and start using them. I don't know if you guys know it, but I think most of you have already used it, and I would love to hear your reviews about it. Now, last but not least, it is one of my favorite tools also, which is Descript. This is an AI video and audio editor, and also it has a lot of new features that have been trending, and I highly recommend you to try it. Okay, it is a game changer for video and also editor or maybe audio creators. It uses AI tool to transcribe, edit, and even generate voiceovers. If you want to create video courses or maybe podcasts as a digital product, Descript makes editing super simple. How can you use this one? You just record your video or maybe your audio, edit by simply deleting text into transcript, and even use the AI voice to add narration. Okay guys, so these are just a few top, maybe not top, but just a few that I have picked AI tools that you can start using today to create digital products. Chachi for writing, Canva for design, Midjourney and design, AI for art, Jasper for copywriting, and Descript for video audio editing. Not sure which one to start with? Think about what kind of product you want to create first. If writing feels daunting or maybe feels scary for you, start with ChatGPT. If design is your weak spot, jump into Canva AI or Midjourney or Design AI. Remember, these are tools that are here to empower your creativity and not replace you. The magic happens when you combine your unique ideas with AI speed and also power. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell so that you don't miss the next video where I'll show you exactly how to create an ebook with an AI in under an hour. And hey, which AI tool are you most excited to try? Drop your answer in the comment section below. I love hearing from you. And by the way, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating, keep growing. Bye bye.